A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Saint Mark. Glory to you, O Lord. After leaving that place, they made their way through Galilee. But Jesus did not want people to know where he was, because he was teaching his disciples. And he told them, "The Son of Man will be delivered into human hands. They will kill him, but 3 days after he has been killed, he will rise." The disciples, however, did not understand these words, and they were afraid to ask him what he meant. They came to Capernaum, and once inside the house, Jesus asked them, "What were you discussing on the way?" But they did not answer, because they had been arguing about who was the greatest. Then he sat down, called the 12, and said to them, "If someone wants to be first, let him be last of all and servant of all." Then he took a little child, placed it in their midst, and putting his arm around it, he said to them, "Whoever welcomes a child such as this in my name welcomes me, and whoever welcomes me welcomes not me, but the one who sent me." The Gospel of the Lord. Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ.